As a premier lighting manufacturer in Nigeria, Feekg is committed to organize the cutting edge of modern technology, with elegance and sophistication in design and aesthetic. We take conscientious care to ensure the highest quality, from conception to delivery, of the final product. We utilize raw materials of outstanding quality, ensuring durability and finesse in all of our products. Our implementation of lean manufacturing yields a high degree of precision and productivity. Our production are based on new innovations, as your need and how we resolve them is the engine of our creativity. Feekg is always striving to make quantum leaps in setting new and ambitious standard for the industry. Feekg continues to add to enrich history by expanding to further market in our odyssey to learn the ambient, comfort, and grace to spaces. We are proud to give back to the local community, being one of the largest employers in the area. We provide our employees with a host of skills that's transforming them into craftsmen, specialists, and experts.